Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back everybody. Let's take a look again at the gold market. So if on euro currency some unexpected intruding of the additional factors bring some mess on market performance, particularly speaking, triggers some demand for United States dollar as well as escalation in the Middle East. So, and it has led to changing of the short-term sentiment in the bearish. On the gold market, everything stands quite opposite because the factor that have intruded in overall market performance is a risky one, and it is supportive for the gold market as well. I'm talking about the big strike of the seaport workers in the United States. It involves 45,000 workers and has unprecedented scale. So currently all logistics in the United States is paralyzed. And what the consequences might be, it's nobody could predict definitely, but as long as they're waiting for resolving of this problem, as more heavy impact will be as on the economy, as on political situation, because the cargoes are not only some individuals, public, or there's also military cargo, Pentagon, some Pentagon goods and so on. So it's really very important. Currently, if you take a look at the media, you will see that news are releasing every hour with updates on this situation. Probably they should invent something really fast, but we will see. On a daily chart, the one thing that seems right now interesting is the flirting of the market with the MACD predictor. So getting the, for example, grubber today's session, it might be a good background for considering scalp long position with a possible return back of the price to the top. So I don't know whether we'll get some kind of double rip or not, but appearing of the grubber suggests that we could think about scalp long position with the target right at this area. That's what is important to keep an eye on today. Meantime, the setup that we discussed in the weekend works just perfect. So if we take a look at the 4-time frame chart, 2630 area triggered upside bounce, so our some kind of the bread and butter buy, as we call it, starts working. So trade has started at the level that we have specified. The target of this area will be target of this setup will be at 2660. Next thing that we could consider, if for example we will get the grubber today, let's take a look. Here's might be the shape of the hand shoulders, reverse hand and shoulders, suggesting further upper direction. Here's also everything has been completed like we suggested. So on Monday we've got gap opening forming the right arm of the hand and shoulders. As we said, it's a bit skewed, but it shows good shape. So keep an eye on this. Either market will keep going to the XOP directly, or we will get this kind of the hand shoulders patch. Both targets are completed in the same points as hand shoulders A, B, C, D, as our initial XOP stands approximately the same area. Both has been completed, market starts upper direction. So this scenario works fine. Probable target will be, as I said, 2660, but maybe it could move slightly higher somewhere to the 2665 area, just to the potential neckline of this potential hand shoulders patch. Here's also minor butterfly you could consider. So left wing, right wing. So actually we have here maybe some kind of the free drive, I don't know, but anyway, it works everything just great. That's actually what we have. Those who have longs, so nothing moves up to the break even, see what will happen. Those who do not have longs but would like to step in with this trade, you actually will have to deal with some very small time frame charts, 15-minute chart, 5-minute charts, trying to catch some minor pullback and consider possible additional entry here. For all the others who trade on the higher time frames, for instance on the daily, wait for today confirmation of the grubber if we will get it, and then probably we will have to wait for some another pattern here on the 4-time frame chart, on the hourly chart, hand shoulders or something that led us to take the position with this grubber. That in towards what we have. At the same time, guys, I would like to say that if even we will get the grabber, it doesn't cancel the idea of the possible deeper retracement. It just tells that market will flirt around the top for some time, because market is overextended. So retracement actually is ready for a long time ago. Just question where the moment when it will start. And flirting market around the top, it doesn't mean direct upward continuation. This is short-term trade. When we treat it as a short-term, the pressure and some really, well, let's call it as a hazard or something of the possible downside deeper retracement still exists right now. So this is one of the reasons why we call you to think about considering silver instead. It will be a bit easier. Silver is lagging behind. It's not as impacted by the geopolitics. So from that standpoint, it might be easier to deal with it. But its advantage is that it has the same direction. So that and towards what we have on the gold. Let's see how market will close today and whether we'll get this grabber and decide the plan based on it tomorrow.